Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video, guys, we have a eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed we want to try. Here she is. It's called Reverso Planet by Beauty Glazed. You have 35 shades and this is the eyeshadow. These are all the eyeshadows. As you can see, quite colorful. I will just quickly swatch. I'll swatch this. And oh, look at this. And this shade here, it have a big sheen to it. It's matte with just like, I just don't know, it's confusing. It's truly okay. There you go. Wow, it's about $9.99 on Amazon. It's on Prime. So I think this is their newly released. I'm not sure who they duped this time. So if you guys know the person, you know, the brand they have duped this time, let me know. Leave your comment below first for a change. This brush here, it hasn't got a mirror. As you can see, guys, there is no mirror. So that means I'm gonna have to look elsewhere. Gonna have to look that mirror or just use my hand mirror. The first shade. Oh, okay, look at that. Tap this up here. This is the one I used before. I'll just take this very one here. This will go on my outer V. I will just put this here instead of sellotape or something. This one can really guide you, you know. It's really good when you do this. Once you remove it, you will have it clean. I want to lighten this area with this shade. With this shade. This shade here is like duochrome. I'll see if I can just pack this on my lid and see how it goes. It's really beautiful, this shade. I'll just apply this shade. This shade for my outer V. This brush, that same shade, just kind of clean my mess around here. I've been loving this lately. Let's do a bit of color under. This shade on my bottom lash. For some reason, just want something different. I hope the camera pick. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, now I need to join it together. Now I'll join it. The bloody camera decided to stop working while I was doing all the eyeliner. So far, what I have done, I apply this. So this crystal, you know, Glam Crystal, yeah, eyeliner is the one I have up here, as you can see. And this one is my regular eyeliner, which is the black one. And this one for Rimmel, this one is also Rimmel, is the gold. I apply double liner. I did the double liner today and I stretch it down here. So that's what I have done so far. Before I said, oh, let me go and repeat the process of camera, the camera kaput. Let me go and repeat the process of camera. During the eyeliner, the camera just kaput. Anyway, guys, so I will repeat the process of camera, froze some lashes on, then we can come and talk about this eyeshadow. Here is the final eye look. So just want to zoom you in. Here's the details. When I was doing it off camera, I keep going forward. I was like, you know what, we can break the rules. It's makeup, there is no legislation. Then I just keep applying this opal, it's called opal shade, you know, on top of what I did before. So this is why I now have all glitter. As for lashes, I use Style Jackie today. See how gorgeous she is, Jackie. Good palette. Will I recommend it? Yes. But just because I review it doesn't necessarily mean you have to go and buy it. Does it worth your money? Yes. So yeah, that's it for today, and it's available on Amazon, is on Prime. If you want to go and get it, guys, help yourself. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, leave your comment below, and any other eyeshadow palette that going around that you want me to review on this channel, just leave your comment below as well. Any topic while we are doing makeup you want me to talk about, leave your comment below so we can have a chat. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. It's at Makeup Time with Julia. Have a very good night wherever you are. I hope to see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.